Imagine this. You're at the checkout counter swiping your card without a second thought. It feels like you have control, but do you really? Or is your money controlling? Today, we're diving into one of the oldest yet most powerful budgeting methods, the envelope system. But here's the twist. Is it really the best way to build wealth in today's fast-paced world? Stay with me, because by the end, you might just find the answer could transform your financial life. Or at least make sure you never feel that pit in your stomach when checking your bank balance again. We all know the feeling. You get paid, maybe you've got big dreams of saving for that luxury vacation or investing for the future, but a couple of dinners out, an impromptu shopping spree, and suddenly you're left wondering where it all went. It's like your paycheck vanishes before your eyes. Here's the reality, and that's exactly what the envelope system claims to fix. Think about it. Have you ever tried to stick to a budget that felt like it was written by an accountant who hates joy? Yeah, me too. But does dividing your money into physical envelopes labeled groceries, entertainment, or even fun really work? And more importantly, will it work for you in the digital age? It's more than just a budgeting system. Let's break it down. At its core, the envelope system is simple. You allocate a specific amount of cash to different categories of your life. Once the envelope is empty, that's it. You stop spending. Sounds almost too simple, right? Well, here's where the magic happens. That simplicity is actually it. By physically handling your money, you're reprogramming how you think about spending. There's no mindless swiping. Every purchase becomes intentional. But I know what you're thinking. I never use cash anymore. You're not alone. Welcome to the club of card tappers and mobile payments. But the power of this system isn't about the paper bills. It's about awareness. Today you can recreate this effect with digital envelopes and even apps that alert you when you're about to overspend. But before you jump into it, here's the kicker. Can using such a strict system actually your chances of building wealth? The envelope system isn't without its critics. Sure, it's great for basic budgeting, but what about growth? What about long-term wealth? Some argue that while the envelope system is excellent at controlling spending, it's not designed to help you. After all, sticking rigidly to a budget can sometimes blind us to opportunities. You may avoid spending today, but are you missing out on building assets that could skyrocket your future wealth? Let me paint a picture for you. Imagine sticking to this envelope system for years, only to realize you've been playing it safe, and someone else, someone who took calculated risks, has tripled their net worth by now. That's the difference between simply budgeting and becoming wealthy. But here's the good news. The envelope system doesn't have to hold you back. What if I told you that with a few tweaks, you can harness the discipline of the envelope system, maximize your wealth building potential by setting up separate investment envelopes? Whether physical or digital, you can prioritize wealth creation, managing your day-to-day spending. The best of both worlds, because the truth is, the real power comes when you have the discipline to control spending, the wisdom to know when to invest. After all, what's the point of saving money if you're not building that dream lifestyle, right? If I wanted to live on ramen noodles forever, I'd go back to college. So, is the envelope system worth it? Yes and no. It's a tool. But like any tool, it's only as good as how you use it. Master your spending and then take it one step further. This method can be a stepping stone, but the real wealth comes from blending control with growth. And speaking of growth, if you're ready to unlock the true secret to multiplying your wealth, stick around for the next video. We'll be diving into a force that can turn small investments into life-changing fortunes. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends.